Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by powering and prepping both devices. Turn the Beats Flex on and make them discoverable. The LED will blink when ready. On your laptop, open Bluetooth settings and switch Bluetooth on so it scans. Once done, clear any old Beats Flex entries to avoid conflicts. You want a clean slate so pairing occurs fast and reliably. This reduces failed attempts and speeds the handshake between laptop and headset. You now make the connection. Press and hold the Beats Flex power button until the LED flashes white. That puts them into pairing mode. Then on the laptop, choose Add Device, pick Bluetooth, and watch for Beats Flex to appear in the list. Click the entry and accept or confirm any pairing prompts. Some laptops auto-pair without codes. Make sure Bluetooth drivers are current if the device doesn't appear, because outdated drivers often block discovery and pairing. You finish by choosing Beats Flex as the laptop's default audio output and microphone in sound settings, then test playback and mic levels. If audio is missing, disconnect and repair or toggle the laptop's Bluetooth off and on. Simple restarts resolve most hiccups. If pairing repeatedly fails, reset the Beats Flex by holding the power button for about 10 seconds, then repeat pairing. This reset clears stubborn states and usually fixes persistent connection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.